Here's to a group of people who started as strangers and ended as lifelong friends.
And brothers. For life.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, Bapos.
Right. Good.
Poor.
It's like swallowing fire. Every ember down your throat there.
The craziest thing I've ever taken, man.
How you
It's like boiling right now, man. I'm actually starting to sweat. You see this? I'm just sweating, man. Shikes!
How was that?
To dilute that with something like just to.
No, they say you must take it.
Is it?
Hey,
Hello.
hey, Mr. Mataba, how was that, man?
It was so cool, man.
It is so
This is
cool.
How the fuck do you say that, man? Are you okay in your mouth right now?
Put off your jacket, man.
Yeah, you're sweating, man. You have
No,
to get your jacket off,
way,
man.
man.
Robert, how's you this man poor?
Blasphemous, man.
You didn't have a single problem this time.
This is something like this is something like 1,100 degrees Celsius. Yeah, can eat 1,100 degrees Celsius.
Austin, do you have a word for our friends in South Africa who donated this mampur?
It's delicious.
And how's
And I hate it.